Good morning, Las Vegas. Once again, Eco-Friendly Air is bringing you vital information about preventative maintenances. We hear from customers dreading the day when their air conditioning system is going to fail in the middle of summer. One of the most important things that everybody should know is preventative maintenance are designed to prevent breakdowns from happening in the middle of summer. Everybody in the industry is going to check out your compressor amps, condenser amps, check out capacitors to see if they're in a fail state, because that's the way companies make money. The most important thing of the preventative maintenance process is cleaning your outdoor coil, cleaning all the leaves, pine needles around that area. And the importance of that is the number one killer of an AC system is a dirty outdoor coil. Most companies will not even touch that because they know that if you don't clean those components, the unit is going to break down. And that's where a company makes money. Because during the winter, we had a lot of windstorms, rain, sandstorms, and all of that gets accumulated inside that coil. Inside your home, you have another coil, which is called the evaporator coil. That evaporator coil, what it does, it removes the hot air from your air, puts it into the evaporator coil. From there, it goes through the line set to the outdoor coil. The fan extracts the hot air from your air. So that's very important that we have that absolutely clean and not fouled. The next part of the preventative maintenance, we have to remove the top of the condenser, get a hose with a nozzle in front of it, spray water from the inside out to be able to remove all the debris, dirt, leaves, pine needles from the coil. Very important part of this process. By doing this, you ensure that the system is going to make it through the summer without no breakdowns. Again, the number one killer of an AC system is the outdoor coil being impacted. Part of our service is also cleaning the exterior part of the condenser underneath the pad where the unit sits on, and just making certain that everything is completely clean. One thing that Eco-Friendly Air does is we take pictures before and after, videos to show the customer that we're not skipping any of the process. That ensures that also the technician doesn't skip any of the process. I'm certain after seeing this video and how meticulous we are in doing a preventative maintenance and stopping your unit from breaking down during the summer, we're also going to invite you to join our Circle Plan membership. This plan actually gives you a winter preventative maintenance and a summer preventative maintenance, which are performed prior to the season. Once you get on this maintenance, you can ensure to expand the lifespan of your system, ensure that the system doesn't break down during the summer season or the winter season. That's why it's so important that you found an environmentally friendly company. That our goal is to lower your carbon footprint, lower your electric bill, make certain that your warranty doesn't get denied from any claims, stop global warming, and saving the planet. After watching this video, I hope it gave you an insight on preventative maintenance. And we're going to invite you to call us at 702-516-9999 or visit us on our website at ecofriendlyair.com for inquiries about preventative maintenances and the importance of them. Thank you and have a pleasant day.